Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the explanations of the three definitions of age used by sociologists and gerontologists to understand the aging process. Chronological, biological, and social age definitions allow sociologists to study how aging is experienced and structured in society. Chronological age refers to the number of years a person has been alive or lived. It is measured based on the year we were born. Our chronological age is the official measure of how old we are and used on formal documents such as birth certificates, passports, school placement, and eligibility, including health insurance coverage and Social Security. Biological age refers to how the body functions physically and changes over time. As people age, cells, organs, and bodily functions gradually change and become less efficient when compared to our younger years. This also includes physical characteristics such as wrinkles, graying hair, and reduced strength and energy. Over time, these physical characteristics can lead to a decline in health and eventually death. Biological age does not measure how many years a person has lived. This is why people of the same chronological age, like 50 years old, can have very different biological ages. Doctors and scientists estimate a person's biological age by their overall health and physical fitness. This includes heart health, strength, mobility, and the presence or absence of disease. Blood pressure, cholesterol, and glucose levels are a few of the common indicators of a person's health. Social age refers to the expectations, roles, and behaviors that society and culture associates with the life course. It's about the social conditions, experience, and expected of people at different stages of life. For example, there are cultural expectations about how people are supposed to behave and what they're supposed to be doing at various times throughout their lives. Examples of common age-related milestones include graduating from high school and college, entering careers, raising children, retiring. These expectations change over time and have a cultural context. Social age expectations also influence how people are treated and availability of opportunities. Ageism refers to discrimination based on a person's age and influenced by age stereotypes. For instance, younger people may be seen as inexperienced or not taken seriously, while older adults may be viewed as less capable or less adaptable, even when that is not the case. Social age is influenced by generational cohorts, which are defined as groups of people born around the same time who share similar historical and cultural experiences. Each generation brings a different perspective on life, and these commonalities shape attitudes, values, and expectations about different stages of life. Social change impacts social age. People today are often living longer, which shifts expectations around aging and retirement. Many young people are also entering adulthood later, spending more time in education and delaying milestones like full-time work, marriage, or having children. We can see social age in how new life stages are created. For example, the term tweens refers to children who are not quite young children, but not yet teenagers. At the other end of the life course, we now refer to people living to 100 and beyond as centenarians, reflecting the longer life expectancy. All of this shows that social age is not fixed. Rather, it is shaped by society, culture, and historical change, and it continues to evolve over time. Understanding these definitions of age can help us recognize how age impacts our everyday experiences, from official records to our health, how we see ourselves, to how others treat us. The definitions can help us question expectations around what we should be doing at certain ages and be more aware of the stereotypes that limit our experiences. That makes sociology worth exploring further, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.